Good morning, students. Today's topic is preliminary screening of project ideas. So, the preliminary screening of the project idea involves innovative screening of ideas of a person or a group of person. Now, this person or a group of person must be well versed with the knowledge of a project and should have expertise in project management so that the individuals can offer optimal services for the project management. This service offering must meet to the demand of the user or the stakeholders for satisfying their needs. Screening of ideas must involve the demand and supply balance so that the market demand can be met with the appropriate supply of it. Then the process of generation and preliminary screening are listed below. So the process of idea generation of a project involves project idea generation, screening or environmental monitoring. So project management must assess the strength and weaknesses of the project as well as the objective. So यहाँ पर जब हम प्रोजेक्ट आइडिया जनरेशन और स्क्रीनिंग की बात करते हैं तो हमें स्ट्रेंथ और वीकनेस दोनों ही देखने हैं अपने प्रोजेक्ट की और उसके ऑब्जेक्टिव्स को भी ध्यान में रखना है. द फाइनेंस असाइनमेंट एडिटिंग सर्विसेज वर्क ऑन द screening idea of the project by analyzing the strength and weakness of the investment opportunities of investor. So to look into the financial aspect of the project is also important to see whether the investment opportunity which is available to us is worthy or not. So for that, we also need to take into consideration the opportunity cost of our investment. So for that, we need so many alternatives or options of project, and then we have to see what are the return on investment of the project. And suppose if the opportunity cost of our project which we have selected is higher, then it means that we have selected a wrong project. Its opportunity cost should always be less than the return of our selected project. If the strength is enough to process, then the idea can be generated, and strength should be more and the weaknesses should be less. In any investment opportunity, strengths ज़्यादा होनी चाहिए उसकी और जो उसकी weaknesses हैं, they should be less. Then only it is worth investing, otherwise not. Then the environment monitoring. Screening the idea of a competitor's analysis is required to understand the environment for better project management. The finance assignment editing services always conduct a systematic monitoring process for the profitable opportunity that should be grasped or the adverse opportunity that can exploit the market. Now let us come to our main topic, which is preliminary screening. Preliminary screening involves the elimination of the screening of the ideas. So basically that are not promising. तो preliminary screening में हम क्या करते हैं कि starting में initial phase में ही उन particular ideas को eliminate कर देते हैं, remove कर देते हैं जो कि promising नहीं होते हैं, जो कि successful होने के जिनके chances less होते हैं. Okay. So preliminary screening of project management involves a few steps. First is the compatibility with promoters. So basically when we talk about screening of project ideas, we must see that the particular project idea should have consistency with the personal interest as well as stakeholders and the entrepreneurs. Finance assignment editing services is a particular company which work for project management. It determines that resources must be used well to better project management. Then second is input availability. Input availability affects the decision making process. So it is also important that all the resources which we require for a particular project should be available to us, especially the inputs such as raw materials and other input resources So input availability affects the decision-making process. Inputs are needed to implement a feasible project management plan. Finance assignment editing services ensure that screening idea must be aligned with the government rules and national goals also. Then the next is market advocacy. So market advocacy is also a must. That we have to assure and make sure that there should be adequate demand of our product or goods and services which we are going to deliver in the market. There should be a proper demand of it so that our project idea can be implemented well, and the market must have adequate sale opportunity as a capital return possibility. Then fourth important step of preliminary screening is the cost reasonableness. So we also have to see that whatever project we are doing, it should provide a reasonable return, and its cost should be reasonable one which the company can afford, or which is within its financial plans. Then the risk acceptability. This last screening idea ensures that the object of the project has been considered after assessing all the risk involved in the same. So risk acceptability basically belongs to somehow the financial aspects of the project, whether the particular entrepreneur or the firm or the group or organization is in the condition to accept that risk or not. It will depend whether the particular project is being run by an existing company which is well known in the market, has established itself long back, or it's a new player. It's a very new player who is doing business for the first time. So the risk acceptability will depend on these factors. Then comes the corporate appraisal. In project management, you need to work on the market distribution and options available in the market. Without understanding the condition of the plant and machinery, your screening idea cannot work in a financial project. So corporate appraisal basically means that we are doing the organizational appraisal, or we may say that we are studying the strengths and weaknesses of any project. So that's it about today's lecture, students. Thank you.